Today our topic is spices obtained from seeds. Spices and condiments obtained from seeds. Seeds से कौन कौन से spices and condiments मिलते हैं, उसमें सबसे पहले बड़ा आता है बड़ी इलायची. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? बंगाल कार्डेमोम. बॉटनिकल नेम है एमोमम एरोमेटिकम. जिंजरबेरेसी फैमिली का मेंबर है. इट इज़ अ पेरिनियल हर्ब grown in North Bengal and Khasiya Hills. The fruit ripens in September. The capsule are then carefully gathered by the natives and sold to the druggists. Medicinal value बहुत है इसकी. The fruits and seeds used as a condiments, जानते ही हो आप. It is one of the chief ingredient of गरम मसाला. गरम मसाला में हम यूज़ करते हैं. किचन का बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉन्डिमेंट इंग्रेडिएंट है. और जैसे कि कोरोना पीरियड में खूब अभी जो काढ़ा में बनाया गया, खूब काढ़ा घरों में बनाए हैं, तो उसमें बड़ी इलायची का बहुत मेडिसिनल वैल्यू रही. इसमें अब हम बोलेंगे बड़ी इलायची ग्रेटर कार्डेमोम के नाम से भी है और जिंजरबेरेसी फैमिली का मेंबर है. सीड्स यूज्ड इन प्रिपरेशन ऑफ स्वीट मीट्स एंड फॉर फ्लेवरिंग बेवरेजेस. Oil of greater cardamom is an agreeable aromatic stimulant, pale yellow in color and having the odor and flavor of the seeds. Next is white mustard, सफ़ेद राई जिसको बोलते हैं. क्रूसीफेरी फैमिली का मेंबर है. and this is considered native of Europe and Western Asia. It is a herb. सबने देखा है प्लांट. 2 to 6 feet high with yellow flowers, hairy lobed leaves. सरसों सबने देख रखी है. and a long beaked pod with bristles. The small round seeds are yellow on the outside and white within. The seed contain as a glucoside sinalbin. When ground seeds are treated with water, the glucoside breaks down through enzyme action and the yield a sulfur compound with a characteristic sharp and pungent taste. Uses: it is used as a condiment in foodstuff and pickles. The powder seed made into a paste with cold water act as a stimulant. Stimulant का काम करता है. It is used also in medicine and the seeds yield fatty oil. Next, Indian mustard, जिसे हम सरसों राई बोलते हैं, है ना. क्रूसीफेरी फैमिली का मेंबर है. Tall, erect, annual herb, 3 to 5 feet high with bright green foliage. रेसीम टर्मिनल, इन्फ्लोरेसेंस रेसीम टाइप का मिलता है. with a rough reticulate testa and it is cultivated chiefly in the Punjab, West Bengal and the Uttar Pradesh. It is sown in October, November and cut in March, April. Uses: the seeds are used as condiment in pickle. और सरसों का तेल आपको पता ही है. द सीड ऑयल इज़ यूज फॉर पिकल्स एंड कुकिंग पर्पसेस. और मेडिसिनल वैल्यू भी होता है. टीथ आर्क में सरसों का तेल बहुत होता है, मसाज की तरह ही बहुत यूज़ किया जाता है. तो सरसों राई बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट क्रॉप है और उत्तर प्रदेश का तो मेन क्रॉप में आता है. ब्लैक मस्टर्ड, काली राई जिसको बोलते हैं, क्रूसीफेरी फैमिली का मेंबर है. एंड इन इंडिया इट इज़ कल्टिवेटेड मेनली इन द पंजाब, उत्तर प्रदेश एंड तमिलनाडु. The plant is smaller than the white mustard plant. It has smooth pods with dark brown seeds which are yellow inside. The seed contain glucoside, sinigrin, and these glucoside yields on the composition a volatile oil containing sulfur, which is responsible for the aromatic odor and pungency. Aromatic odor स्मेल, एरोमेटिक स्मेल के लिए और पंजेंसी तीखापन के लिए, बकबकापन के लिए कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है? वोलेटाइल ऑयल. यूजेस: ground black mustard seed are used as condiment in pickles and the seed oil is used for cooking purposes. Chemical composition of brassica seeds: moisture 7.6%, nitrogen substance 29.1%, nitrogen free extract 19.2%, ether extract to 28.2%, crude fiber 11%, ash 5%, and seed oil 27.33%. राइट. तो 3 तरह की मस्टर्ड आपने पढ़ी: वाइट मस्टर्ड, इंडियन मस्टर्ड एंड ब्लैक मस्टर्ड. नाउ कम्स टू कार्डेमम, लेसर कार्डेमम यानी कि छोटी इलायची. जिंजरबरेसी फैमिली का मेंबर है. दिस इज अ टॉल herbaceous perennial with branching subterranean rootstock from which arise a number of upright leafy shoots. 5 to 18 feet high, bearing alternate elliptical or lanceolate sheathing leaves, 1 to 3 feet long. Flowers borne in panicles 2 to 4 feet long. Arises from the base of vegetative shoot. You can show in the diagram. Flowers about 1 to 5 inches long, white or pale green in color, with a central lip streaked with violet brown, borne in a closer series on the rachis. Fruits trilocular capsules, fusiform to ovoid. सबने छोटी इलायची देख रखी है. Pale green to yellow in color, containing 15 to 20 hard brownish black angled seeds covered by a thin mucilaginous membrane. It is a native of the moist evergreen forest of South India, growing wild in the Western Ghats, and it is found wherever the overhead canopy has been thinned. It is also found along stream banks where the overhead shade is less dense. Malabar cardamom is characterized by a short leafy shoot. It is chiefly cultivated in Mysore or Coorg and in some extent in Travancore. Mysore cardamom is characteristic by robust growth, leafy stem up to 17 feet high and large with a smooth underside. Mysore cardamom is distributed or cultivated in those regions which form the natural habitat of the spices. They are chiefly cultivated in Kerala, Mysore, Maharashtra, Assam, Sikkim and Tamil Nadu. Cultivation. The mode of cultivation varies considerably in different regions. The Mysore system of cultivation is the most important for commercially production and contributes about 90% of the total cardamom crop in India. This type consists in clearing selected areas of jungle land of all undergrowth. In Mysore, cardamom is planted mostly on the margins of ravines. Propagation. Cardamom is propagated either vegetatively or by division of rhizome or by seedling transplantation. Rhizomes from large clump of growing plants are taken out, separated into small clumps, and each consists of at least one old or one young shoot and planted in prepared pits. पहले से prepared होते हैं वो. Next, seed germinate in 6 to 7 weeks of sowing. Seed beds are prepared and frequently weedings are necessary in the first 2 years to prevent young cardamom plants from being choked up. Harvesting. Cardamom comes into bearing in 3 years after planting, which may be the 4 to 5th year after sowing. Lamba period hai. Flowering commences in April-May and continues till July-August, and flower may be seen almost throughout the year. The peak flowering period is May-June, and as flowers appear for long, fruits ripen irregularly at intervals, necessitating several pickings. Then drying and curing. The fruits are dried after harvesting. Uses. Cardamom is used as a spice and masticatory and in the medicine. The seed possesses a pleasant aroma and a characteristic warm, slightly pungent taste. It is used for flavoring curries, cakes, breads, or either culinary purposes. It also used for flavoring liquors. In the Arab countries, cardamom is used for flavoring coffees and tea. It is used as an aromatic stimulant, carminative and flavoring agent. The cardamom capsule contain moisture, protein. Moisture is 20%, protein is 10.2%, ether extract 2.2%, mineral water is 5.4%, crude fiber is 20.1%, carbohydrate is 42.1%, calcium 0.13%, phosphorus 0.16%, iron 5 milligram per 100 gram. The seeds of cardamom contain 2 to 8 volatile oil, and seeds of green cardamom yield appreciably more oil than that of bleached cardamom. Potassium, iron, vitamin 1, vitamin 2, vitamin C, these are also found. विटामिन ए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट क्रॉप है और बहुत एक्सपेंसिव क्रॉप है. Cardamom oil of commerce is obtained by the distillation of whole fruit of cardamom. The cardamom oil is a colorless or pale yellow liquid with a penetrating camphorous odor and a strong pungent taste. The main constituent of the oil are cineol, terpineol, terpenines, limonene, sabinine, and terpineol in the form of formic or acetic esters. The chief importing country of Indian cardamom are Arabia, Sweden, UK, USA, Germany, and Middle East countries.